We are talking about this.
Yeah, but we don't want to rejoice over that because we don't really want that be a disruptive process because them chewing a one for the PNP and me suspect say them just want to appear balance. So if
no man, that I'm sure one will that dig off. You not sure?
Yeah, but what I try to say, we are just talking about the seats them and the ability to win them. If we put in some work.
Yeah, but if we strong enough, we can take him man, we can go take away from them.
I know if we're strong enough, I just the work.
Oh, they know you talk about save one for them. So now you make me think twice.
No man, no, me not say. I don't mean say that. I something so them. She don't want us. Them can keep Central Manchester, Central St. Mary. Me not think so.
No man, I'm Westmore. Michael Phillips see me attack.
Yeah, me know, but some.
If the court find him guilty and he step down, we have to call a by-election. The same box away from him.
Yeah man. That's sure.
Well, to the person Willow Gina say appear hungry belly there so. Me tell you. Nally, me tell you the problem I have with the old PNP seat them. Me tell you the problem I have with them seat there is that the PNP sit down in a them for years, all 30 odd years. PNP in a them.
Now one for them and them dieted.
One and them dieted. And the thing is, when a labor right do go in and win them seat there at that time, they want all of them problem with them neglect for 30 plus years resolving a 4 years.
And everybody still like me.
Pressure, the labor.
Everybody still like me. People don't understand say you cannot be dieted to something that is not progressive. You cannot diet.
Carla, guess what the problem? Guess why reach them seat there? Why the PNP has been in trouble over the years and why we would have won 49 seats. You see, a new generation, you know, are living on them seats there. Some of them old PNP die there, right? Are the dying generation and the kids them come up now and I tell you, there is now a deviation from this traditional from voting based on the tradition of the family. The kids them now not necessarily have vote based on the whole diet PNP thing. And you have a lot of that in PNP families where the kids them I say, but mommy, me say I vote PNP for years and daddy me say I vote PNP for years, but we don't really see what PNP has done. And also they are looking at neighboring constituencies like Rhoda Crawford and them see all the JLP MP them are work. So the kids them we have these constituency now. They want to see results. It's not like them parents. And you have a lot of that. Let me tell you, a lot of PNP supporters now are PNP something. A lot of people with PNP parents now, them have vote against the family tradition, them have vote for JLP.
Me, I'm an example. Nally know my father. Nally, you're supposed to know my father. Good. My father run off K Valley. Anyway, them and they are strictly PNP. When we vote for Andrew is 2016, at 2 months my father not deal with me. I tell you, 2 months.
K Valley PNP them dangerous man, but they swing now.
Them swing.
Yeah man, K Valley PNP them shake up bad man. Fine. You say Xavier man. You go down there, you see him billboard in I hear Muffet, that I girl will win for the council. You see him billboard, JLP flag, everything in I hear, and then I pop them down. One time you couldn't do that.
One time you couldn't do that.
Let me tell you this, and y'all won't go through it. Up to now, my mother can't stand me. I'm tired to tell her the more you're against me, the more I vote. In a local government election, she shame me in front of much people. Because she come down at the school for vote. Remember, my mother walk with her cane, you know. And she come down at the school for vote. Now me being her child, I call her. I say, Mom, come and look for your name and tell her which PD for go. And who tell me to say it? She want to say, no, I don't want you to look for my name. I don't want to labor right look for nothing for me. Shame like a dog. I say, all right, make sure so when you go inside, you know how you come back out here. Make sure so you know how you got your yard.
Yeah, man.
So I know what you're talking about. I'm an entire generation, mother side, father side. I am the one and only person who choose to step away from tradition.
Same Miss Chin. That person
I'm not believe in a traditional voting. I am not a born PNP and I'm not a born labor right. Me a born woman.
Then what happened to PNP back in the 1990s? They never know why they have put PNP. Let me say vote based on tradition.
And them not understand so the reason why me a labor right now and the reason why me a make nice for labor right because me see what labor right I do.
Yeah.
Exactly.
If labor right never that do what them for do, me get rid of them too. Me die at it to me pitney and me die at it to me pitney and God. Me
So that
not
me have to look them say,
labor
look for
right
a
if labor
future.
right
What
now
if,
do
yeah.
nothing.
Think about the future of your youths. What
Of
kind of
course.
Jamaica you want? Your kids to live in.
Exactly. If PNP now do nothing, me now vote for them. And if me say labor right now do nothing, me now vote for them. Me sit down on my yard. Voting is my constitutional right. So if me feel like say none now do nothing, me now vote for none. But if me say one, me feel like say okay, then that party is making more sense. That is where I shall be.
I made that to be
right. Anyone but my child and God.
I don't know if I'm
Philippian did the on my prayer line today. I can tell you how my minister this morning. Philippian can tell you she was on my prayer line this morning. And me I tell you say, me drop the bombshell on the people that me now vote. Me drop the bombshell on them hard and tough this morning. But them is the one now vote and them is the one want everything done for them.
God bless. Me now go stop you with what you talk about, but me head that hurt me. If you call Philippian one more time, me head that her name is Philippian. Do me a beg and I say Philippian.
No man, apart from we talk, we left off some of my word when we're ready.
But
in this survey, because we should not call him nothing a Philippian. We should have said Miss Philippian.
Oh, Philippian. Great Miss Philippian.
Yeah.
Philippian, me not telling a lie. As of today, you know, name so for me again. As of today, your name Philippian.
What my name again? Tell me.
Philippian.
Yeah, they never hear me say Philippian here. Yes.
Finally,
She was on my life and my prayer this morning in my service this morning, man, and I was so up there. You like my service?
Yes.
me did that on it too.
Yeah, me see you when you was there, yeah.
Me never know say Valley people switch door.
Yeah, man, Valley shake up bad, man. Valley shake up bad. And if you call all your mother and father, them good night too.
I saw Xavier me and I go on.
Yeah, man, Xavier terrible down there, man.
how much term Xavier I don't know?
Second
term him the pan. Me tell you say
third term I go now. Third term I go in next election.
Him not lose. I will go beat
No,
him.
nobody can beat Xavier down there. So you know, say Keith take one himself. Because Keith knows and can't manage it.
Can't manage.
And he makes certain take one himself. Because base of the player at the carnival Monday gone, you know, Easter Monday, you know. A base of this player Xavier Carnival, you know. Don't I send here because we girl more always keep that big carnival every year, you know.
Oh, St. Deca.
Yeah.
Yeah, Xavier base of this player down there, man.
So Xavier keep that tradition them like that. Me like how
Yeah, man. Yeah, me go down there one night time. I think kind of 2018 when he just win. The first time when he win, 2016. I think me go down there 2018. Or 2017. Yeah, I think I go down there. And I did enjoy myself down there for a heater and drink. I enjoy myself. I'm like, well, I go down there, brother.
Donnelly,
Couldn't talk about that.
you know about Westmoreland? You think we can get no, this are we too ambitious?
All right. Me is like you. Me ambitious too. But here how we go and get it. And here how we can strengthen ourselves. Everyone to get it. You see the 2 counts that we cross the floor. You see the 3 MP judge right need to come back over. And we need those 3 persons must get themselves out in the field now. And the 2 leader if we take it on to the PMP is the 2 cross the floor. With JLP counts and them down there now. They are the one to take it to them because shark come from fish come from water bottom and tell a shark down there. Believe him. So this person must go out there with the message why them turn away and spread the message more. We're not hearing them. Them is too silent.
I'm gonna think more. I'm gonna see more land of the sun right down there.
Not a moorland, man. The 2 counts of where shark come from, fish come from water bottom, man. And them moorland are doing work. The MP them are doing work. Judge White are doing work. Mr. Lyons are doing work. But the 2 Councillor man, them need to plant some meat and take out the campaign, got all one steal and talk to the Prime Minister. I say, Prime Minister, you know how to come, you know, we tell you when to come. We are taking to them every day we are upon the road. We not only day we not upon the road when we are going parish council. And check through the whole place, who you voting for, who big man night and day, near man drink and enjoy yourself.
God bless, I think
that's what you do when me in a Xavier seat, you know. Every day, right now, me on in the house, yeah. Every day, me still on the house.
You know what else we are going to do to them?
Brother?
You know what else we are going to do to them? You see, all of them dirty deeds, because them feel like so them can play dirty and them are going to get away with it. You see, all of them deeds, we are draft for them. You see, like how me and
drop 10 of the worst thing.
Listen me.
Me drop a video on my TikTok page a while ago. 10 of the worst thing that's Andrew Wellness stuff in Jamaica. 10 of the worst.
Listen me.
Anybody fuck up that video, they only buy laugh. 10 of the worst things.
It's like when you see me a fix Bandswell business, I same thing me I go do for all the girl where I run down at Eastern and over with Dave Brown. Cause the amount of skeleton in a fair closet. Wait till you see me start post them. She need to tell Jamaica
the first term this Dave Brown are down there.
Which first term?
No, man, a third term Mogo, you know.
A third in a buffer, not two.
Yeah.
Third.
Tamika first term.
Yeah.
The woman we are going to run against him at first time she are going to try. But she need to tell Jamaica why them fire her from Secret Hotel. Because she a big manager down there. I tell she need to tell Jamaica why them get with her.
Miss Chin, make some video about that and keep it in your phone.
No worry yourself, man. A couple of information me a wait for. Me not keep it on my phone. Same way like when you see me do bands, the same thing me I go do she. Me I go live in her still like fix.
Send it to Dave Brown. I'll Tamika Davis. Anywhere of them.
No worry yourself. Me and Dave Brown close like that. Me and Dave Brown close like that.
The seat up at Spalding's, the Azan seat. The seat where Philip
Enriquez.
Enriquez. That seat they want to work. Me I tell
Mama Jai, you sound like a down there you come from, you know. You have to tell me your full name and me ask Dave Brown boy you. Cause me want him see say you're a good supporter and Mama Jai.
Yes, Enriquez to see.
So tell me your full name, because I don't know who name Mama Jai. Me tell him already. Yes, and call him.
Enriquez to see.
That's it.
The Prime Minister need to take a walk in there and see strength time.
That's it.
Flight Green have some challenges.
No, the Prime Minister himself for going out that seat there. We see the strength time and hear the people them problem. What they have with him there and get it fixed. That's if him a go back, he must know if he address it and he give him a period of time to address it. That's when he go back there, no complaint of it there.
But
Exactly.
Martina Jones, me never tell him about you no man, so no depend live and support him, man.
What I'm saying, you see, God bless. It's a long time they've been hearing about that seat, but they're taking it either as a now go back or him now go back. Because why them take so long to either working on the seat or make sure there's a replacement that is working alongside Azan. That's the cause of problem, you know. There's nobody working alongside Azan.
Yeah, because Enriquez and
Enriquez, sorry.
Well,
and the council them will have them people that you know see them in a social media because you not see nothing on TikTok for this, so.
No,
hold on.
You not see nothing on YouTube for this, so.
A PNP or Liberal Council I have.
He have Liberal Council and PNP because he win the one of Frankfield with the Rasta man.
I think he has 2 councillors.
Yeah. And we not see nothing on social media because we never see this happy Reaches, this happy Thompson Town, this happy Spaldings, this happy
didn't get the Reaches.
I mean what the whole of them the place because me drive the whole of them the place from Bread Van.
Bread Van used to sell bread.
We used to work at Lee's Bakery at Burbage.
what that
Me drive out all the whole of Chilani. What's up,
Nelly.
Alberton? Wait a bit, go straight back and go drop out back at Grants Bailey and go drop out to Alexandria.
So Cleon said he has 2 councillors.
Cleon say I have 2 councillors.
Whoever name PNP pan this, we're afraid to talk them at all. Just comment say Warmington seat in a problem. How would they made up here?
We don't need to pay them no mind.
God bless Nelly.
Huh?
You know, if any challenge in a flight green seat.
And you?
Flight green.
No, sir.
Let me know what?
Of any challenges we have down there.
No, No man, fly green a sweep through man. Fly green,
No, man,
let me
fly
tell you one. Fly green seed.
Do I know
It's
that?
a swing
It's a swing seed,
yeah.
but fly green plant itself because all Senton was a swing seed. The seat up in where Cockburn Finn have was a swing seed. Is the leader whosoever going I seat for plant himself and making a swing. A whole heap of swing seed gone in the last election.
See, Mama Joy said Floyd is safe. Sue said he's safe also.
Yeah, fly, not a boy to be fly green man. Fly green a yard boy, you know man. A yard
Yeah,
that, you know
I know
man.
them come from for true and him a work.
Quite a few people say
Hardly Shaw seat need work though. Because hardly kind of up in age.
Yeah.
So them need
Hardly Shaw seat
You
need
look how
some,
mega
need a
black
candidate
too
now.
Bosha call flight fish. He married to a woman. Who your man married to another man. Die.
Why we have to pay them no mind? We don't need to pay
Go
them no
ahead.
mind, Philippines.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hardly Shaw seat need, for me go over there the other day, and the people them a complain hard over there. So they don't have nobody. A winter make up nice over there too much. Wind need to calm down.
Yeah. But the thing is, Wind not tired the amount of money him lose in the politics. Can him come
And the amount of beating him get and
and the amount of beating him get and him still a go. Cause Xavier and Ram fi beat him.
We trust the Prime
Hardly
Minister
Shaw
to
beat him
start
already
them
two
things.
times.
Hardly Shaw and Ram fi beat him either.
Yeah.
But hardly Shaw now go back, so them need pay. But me know say by conference them are put in somebody. For me see hardly Shaw what the girl, the council girl in the Indian Town division. Me see hardly Shaw what they are singing and
Were you there,
grave digging
Godless?
and
Were
stuff.
you there?
No, I don't go down, but me see them on YouTube.
Oh, what it Mike
And
Henry
they come
seat?
in a borderline with me, you know.
Oh.
Mike Henry
A
seat, what
borderline with
it
me, man. Burbage,
I mean, I know
Dale Town, and Indian Town. They just a bridge pathway.
Okay.
Chin, you're carrying on, girl.
One brother from down there them line up to take Mike Henry seat in about him
Which
name
one?
and certain information. We can't hear nothing about it yet because all we hear is that him going to resign, going to, and we still can't get no final.
Mike Henry?
Mike Henry is not Joel Williams because Joel Williams is the mayor.
Yeah,
Joel
Joel
Williams
will
the mayor,
but
Joel can't.
to me, if them pick anybody that I see that them, I prefer them would give the girl where run a sponsor up the girl where run a sponsor up Bucknut. That is a girl where the people them love.
I realize you're not calling no word straight. It's Buckna. The girl will run up a Buckna.
Me not call no
Me
word
don't know.
straight.
Me don't know. Me don't know if man. Me don't know if she is
That's enough, because I see they coming like Tivoli seat, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, and you have to understand, you can't just put anybody in them. Me, it's one time I hear like, my brother named Liba name me there, I call upon it, but it look like Liba all money, you know.
No, sir. The lady with no, sir. Liba can't get that.
You see the Mike Henry entire constituency, one single community is a PMP community. And when me tell you say community, me no mean division, you know. Me mean
Canaanite.
one community.
Canaanite.
And they love PMP out there, then put a Porsche picture for all who don't know. One big old picture out of entrance.
It's time blow down what they are, they can't put your back, but they lose the council when they not maintain.
The constituency now at JLP build it. I mean that the community at JLP do the most work in it. They get the most on that JLP government over there. Right now.
But JLP have now the girl winning in our last election.
No, she never win. She never win.
I give you a history about Canaanites.
JLP girl can win it.
No, God bless. Her name was Lorraine Mason. She did not win.
But they still have vote. They must still have vote PNP over that the community there.
The girl never win it. God bless.
Oh, you mean you then still have what PMP over there? You know, you may say.
Go back and look again, man.
PMP
Go do
gets
research
in a
again.
general election. A true Canaanite.
She never win, man.
I'm telling you, the councillor, them never win. JLP never
win
get the division. JLP never get the division.
Her name was Mason Green. Lorraine Mason Green. She did not win.
She never win it, and it's hard for she win it because the whole of them are PMP.
Well,
She did well.
She winning, brother. So,
She did-
me I'll go
she
back.
did
Me
well
I'll go up there
Slimmerton.
next coming week. So me I'll investigate again.
What the council
That's
for
not the tell me say them
Canaanite
winning.
division now? What the council for Canaanite division now?
A PMP, but me don't know the name.
Why is a lady?
I see them girl where always there they did run.
I still call her.
You she see man, but me I tell you say, Mike can you win the 4 of them here, so me no know
the
how
whole
you
community
say
were
no,
really
so
not, them
I'm
not
going
vote
to
for progress,
again.
you know. Them just vote based on tradition. It's a garrison.
Kane and I would have want come like Hayes division in a Southeast Clarendon in a Purnell Charles constituency. A 4 division and JLP always ensured 3.
Yeah.
But Barnswell always a go win Hayes division. And Barnswell come from Hayes and then born and then grow.
That you
And
mean
as when now do nothing for them and they never do nothing, the people them just dieted to PMP because that's all they
That's a
know.
current piece.
Corn Peace, Newtown, the whole of this are Hayes division.
Oh.
Yes. Corn Peace, Newtown, Gongoli, and a whole heap of different community build up Hayes division. You understand? Raymond's, all of them place there. I remember say Raymond's at the place which part him got turn him vehicle cross the road, you know. When Purnell do the road, you know. And police him have to get him out, you know. And Raymond's, you know.
So what happened to
In
Rocky?
no matter what Barnswell do, them always have a vote. Rocky Point are always JLP community. JLP division that too. Mineralites division a JLP division. Farmers Cross division a JLP division.
Langsville, Freetown.
Only Langsville is a part of Mineralites division. Freetown a part of Farmers Cross division.
And Sandy Bay.
Sandy Bay a Farmers Cross division too. All Freetown a landslide. Freetown are the first place in a Clarendon. And there's a landslide victory.
PMP place,
Freetown on a PMP place, man.
It is strong. It is change.
Listen me.
I tell you.
Me can tell you as far back as name before already Spencer.
All Palmer's Cross and the champ. Burrell, Mr. Burrell.
Peter Bunting.
Mr. Burrell.
Burrell time and Bunting time. Because I remember see that's a Bunting come from too.
Alright, so
Freetown, Bunting, born and growing up. Yeah, man, a Freetown, him and him brother Danny Bunting, the whole of the land of Freetown go right back to cockpit like you go to
Salt River way.
The whole of this belong to Bunting and him brother.
Mitchelltown them place there.
Hey, Chin.
Mitchelltown is a part of Rocky Point division, so that's also JLP. Mitchelltown people them will kill you for Purnell Charles. Me can tell you that.
Chin, one to the Lewis them from Salt River that used to run. The Lewis them.
Which Lewis that?
And
used to run.
There was a lot of brothers of them. I remember. Now Lewis them used to name them used to run as councillor man. I'm sorry.
know them, but
Dwayne Lewis.
Oh, me don't know them. This are Barnswell too, you know.
Yeah, okay.
So what so Mineralites not swing.
Mineralites don't swing. As a matter of fact, in the local government election, the biggest victory was from Mineralites division.
Yeah, all Milton Brown see that.
The biggest landslide.
All Milton Brown see that.
Yeah, man, it was Milton Brown seat.
Oh.
Yeah.
Chin,
but
you know,
now I Colin Cook. Yeah.
You know, so where me come from, though.
Yeah?
Want to Roddy Spencer?
Yeah,
still run?
No, man. Roddy Spencer resign and give it to Purnell.
Colin Cook, the man named Howard Cook. Miss Chin.
Purnell get Roddy Spencer seat.
Colin Cook, not Howard Cook. Huh?
Oh. But me hear some complaints about him, though.
Chin, me say Water Lane is not horrible. Because down I come from Giptown. Them say Giptown, alright. But them say the main road, Water Lane from Alley to Water Lane, me hear that is enough. Me say when me say bad, them say horrible. Them don't know.
All main road have a problem because all main road are supposed to be part of Sparks program. So all main road have a wait. You see the lane them? Or the lane them, the MP and the councillors supposed to go through the different institutions then to get funding to fix them. That's why Purnell fix Gongoli and Purnell fix Raymond's, Newtown and all of them places.
Spark of the parochial road.
Spark of the parochial, there one next one with $3 billion for main road. Patching program.
Reach program.
Yeah,
I don't know how Water Lane fix because it's a single main road. And if you close it, I don't know how they're gonna fix it.
Not only that too, you know, you have a lot of road where because due to piping issues, some of them can't fix it. A whole heap of road have some piping issues where like pipe bury under the road them or something. Well, we send water to
That's why I don't want you know paying. Because if you have too much road left to fix, it means that them need do nothing in 18 years. You know, too much
Exactly.
road left to fix, and too much road to fix already. I still have to fix so much road. PNP need do nothing. Them can't talk. Them don't know. So every time them complain about roads, it's a poor reflection on them performance. But that them are in the clip.
Them stop talk because of themselves. Them are silly.
Hey, Foresight, me used to go Brownstone High School, you see? And that was a shift school. I mean, I tell you, saying, when me used to get on morning shift, when me take the bus, me drop asleep same time, and when me reach a school gate, me know. Because at the pothole them, it's like the way me traumatized, me could have caught the pothole them in my sleep. You hear me tell you?
Exactly.
The other day, me go a Brownstone, travel from Cave Valley to Brownstone, and a carpet, Xavier man laid on that carpet.
Yeah, man. Yo, let me tell you something. What the problem was to remove Andrew by using the IC before the Spark program. Because them knew for the Spark program. Them know. So them can't stand up to the Spark program. Right? Them have a problem with the Spark program. Because them know the effect that I go have. And let me tell you this.
They're afraid of that Foresight.
Yeah, man, them afraid of the Spark program, man.
Yeah.
Because trust me, you're going to see significant improvement in our road networks right across Jamaica.
What I'm worried about is Foresight. I need it to start. That means it start before the election. We don't want people to say, oh, no, see, and because election.
No, man, November it's slated. That is October now, then push it back to November.
Yeah.
November is slated to start.
Yeah,
we
need, you know.
The Prime Minister said it start in my constituency, in a Robert Miller constituency, St. Catherine.
Yeah. Any conferences yesterday that the Prime Minister are focus on? Boom, him want it.
Robert Miller is where again? Portmore?
Yeah.
Him is a sitting MP?
Yeah.
We are the caretaker.
Dr. Dregs.
Yeah, Dr. Dregs.
No,
Colin Fagan him did win?
Yes, he did win Fagan.
Yeah, he did win Fagan.
Oh, him retire Fagan.
Yeah.
That era I have to watch, you know, because the PNP supported strong in that era. That was a traditional PNP seat too. That was converted to JLP. So I don't know how I'm looking in terms of retaining it though.
Him can retain it, man. Him look good because him a do the work. Let me tell you what the problem in the constituency, the Foresight. Mobilization. You see that constituency there, who can mobilize best on the day win? Who can get out the people? Because them people more people now left them yard gone no polling station to vote. Like all people when are really business with politics. But if you go for them will vote. But them now left them yard make it them pint a day to come vote. So who mobilize the best on the day will win.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
A bank your my
That's
version.
like our people constituency, man.
Not really, but the young people them not really come out either.
Yeah, old people and young people. Yeah. Some of the young ones them not come out.
Them not come out.
You know.
Right now, Terry Long seat easier for win than Robert Miller seat. That's a little bit.
What do you mean easier for win? I think Terry Long is safe.
No, him safe. I think Terry Long is safe.
But I mean, Terry Long safe. That's why I say a way easier win. But for Robert Miller seat, a traditional PNP seat, because even in a 2016 when we vote, the MP that I voted for in the constituency, he did not win. A Colin Fagan, they win.
Who did run over there that time again?
Pete Blake.
Oh, Blake. Blake was an old timer.
Yeah. So him never win. Fagan did win. But then Miller come 2020 now and win Fagan. That's why
Organization going to be key, especially in a Michelle Charles.
let me tell you the thing when I observe about my constituency to the constituency there. You see the people them down at Waterford at them a PNP and them people them I go vote. Whole heap of Edgewater is strictly labor right. A few PNP live in Edgewater. And the scheme them like Bridgeview and Gavimead and them place there, whole heap of silent voters live at them places. So that is the reason why I see a mobilization on the day. And the thing is a lot of the labor right them not really vote, whereas the people them done a Waterford, them are go vote.
Well, no, it's no better time to be motivated to go out and vote, you know. Because let me tell you something. This election, you know, is not even a vote. Any JLP supporter need to understand. It's not only a vote for JLP, you know. It's a vote for Jamaica.
A vote for Jamaica, yeah.
It's a vote to save Jamaica.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? Because
So let me tell you all about.
we don't know if I look beyond the politics, you know, to see what is happening, you know.
Yeah, man.
There are some
Both sides.
hidden agendas behind the PNP, you know. With dark, you know.
Let me tell you about the port.
Go ahead, Angel.
Go ahead.
That side of Portmore you're talking about, which is Bridgeport, Westport, Westmead, Garvey, that side of Portmore, right? Westport was one of the first housing schemes that built up, and they were actually given to government workers, soldiers, teachers, people like nurses and stuff like that. Because I lived there for a while. My aunt got a house there way back in the days when they just built them. You see, those people can't compare to Waterford. Because those people, when you're looking at Westmead, Westport, Bridgeport, and those areas, traffic because working class people, like I said, most of them are now retired because they were nurses and teachers and people like that. So then people they vote on policy, but they also vote on achievements, and they also vote on what them see happening. If you're not coming around and doing what you're supposed to be doing, you're not gonna get them people to vote.
Yeah.
So it's not like Waterford. Waterford people don't vote on those things.
Right.
Waterford people vote because they are diehard PMP and them vote for them party.
Regardless of what they get.
Westport and that other side of Portmore, it is about performance and policy. You have to perform and you have to have policy that they like and that they align themselves with.
Is there any difference in Robert Miller's performance that people can look at and say?
Significant.
I think so.
We are getting more,
especially where education is concerned. I think that if it is that the Prime Minister do decide to use Favour Williams as the next Finance Minister, Robert Miller would be a good education minister. He is very his area of work to me seems more on the educational aspect. Today I learned that there are challenges where like roadworks and so are concerned. I'm getting to understand that there are significant challenges because it's PNP control the municipal corporation.
Yeah, that is the biggest challenge they have over there.
The biggest challenge in Long have now. But differently, them do a lot of work.
Whatever they want to do, they shut it down. Everything that Big Rob tried to do, because they control the municipality, they shut down everything. If you want, them terrible, man. That is why, you see, I was so disappointed.
That must be communicated to the people, because if
he
was working before. Oh, go ahead, finish,
Yeah, sorry. What I'm disappointed about, and I'm sorry, what's his name is gone, that we should have moved forward and make Portmore in a parish already, because if we did, we would have able to control St. Catherine Parish Council, because we would have won that, right? Because we have more councils over that side and separated from Portmore, right? We should have done that. We should not put it on hold, and I think we would have had a better chance.
Well-thinking Jamaicans, right, who are like listening to the government, looking at what the government is doing, and remember you have some announcements to be made before election. They are more likely to ask what's in it for me. You know, and the future I'm a children. Now, the Prime Minister went over there the other day and says his plan, he has plans to turn Portmore into a little Miami. You think that don't resonate well with people? I mean, people are going to be looking at these things and say, look here, because when I talk about developments in Portmore and the Portmore as a resource center, it says it's not only going to be a BPO, no, it's going to be what, like a knowledge-based center or something like that, right? Where you have different persons can come, like people who do like program writing and software development and so, like a Silicon Valley, right? That is big, you know. That's gonna be a big achievement. That, you know,
it's like
right?
he's going to turn it into a tech city, into a technological city.
Yeah, a tech center, a tech hub, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And a lot of young people live at Portmore.
Yeah.
I don't know that.
And Portmore have a lot. Me feel like more people live in a Portmore than what live in the rest of St. Catherine. Portmore, a lot of human resources is at Portmore.
Yeah, man, a high percentage of Kingston workforce no come from Portmore, man.
Yeah.
Look here.
Portmore for sure.
Me trust the Prime Minister. You know, I trust the Prime Minister to put the right measures in place and to fix any challenges they have in any constituency to ensure that the message gets out there and that a third term is secured. I have a lot of confidence in him with that. Because our PNP strategy is to try and hide the message, you know.
I also confident the Prime Minister foresight. But I don't know enough foresight, but I don't know how many persons on here have seen the Prime Minister recently. Me say, if anybody can hold right.
Put this back. Yep, Constitution.
Mute your mind, God bless. If anybody can hide, express foresight at the
that you need help with?
Somebody needs to mute.
Did you know that
God bless.
the objective?
No, well, it's not. God bless. Are you foresight?
No, man, no, me, man. Me hearing the nice, I know me. Not
And
my
it's a chopper needs to mute. Anyway, anybody can hide stress is probably Anjo. But the man fresh out. No, sir. My friend tell my friend and say, look like we stress out over election more than Anjo.
No, man, it's a very stressful job, you know.
But in the show for an Anjo. Don't show an Anjo. You know, like, no, I like
Andrew is a true leader, you know.
the man is a true leader.
Andrew wanted to lead this country, you know. And I, man, when me hear say him never want to lead, that shouldn't throw it for him. You understand?
Mark is not a leader.
Huh? Oh my God. Oh,
Okay, you can't mute chopper.
what do you do?
We're hearing your background in your conversation.
Live. Yeah, even you know, so I think public sector workers are gonna vote for PNP though. Me not believe, me just can't see that happening. Me can't see nurses, teachers, and police and them people they are vote for PNP. Like what would that be the reason?
We can't see it either. And
We
what
can't
basis?
see it. On what
No, because
basis?
you
What
vote
would
for
that
a
be your
10 plan and you
cause?
get it. Why would you? I don't know. What would be the reason to vote against your best interests?
Exactly.
And
I
me
hear
not-
that one teacher say she not really care. She will vote and when time is gone back, JLP come back in and JLP will fix it.
Merciful.
That is
Yeah,
what
but
me
that
hear.
is-
Well, and it's a
That's
teacher
not
that
and that
will
majority
teach.
of people are gonna think so. That she's just a She did vote PNP
So hold
last
on.
election.
No, Foresight, me concerned to she in a classroom and teach kids.
That is my biggest concern to
No, she's a diated. They have
Me
those. She's just a diated.
Mm.
You understand? She's not going to. She has never voted JLP.
Because
So we don't worry about votes.
what kind of critical thinking she are going to teach our students if she herself
Exactly.
have none?
Right. But I'm
No,
not
but if all right, what's the likelihood of somebody who voted the JLP the last election to decide, so now is the time to vote for PNP? We just consider that.
Exactly.
And another thing you see too, Foresight, I think their leader is not helping them either. The leader, which is Mark Golden, is not. I think if they had a stronger, better leader, yeah, but the leader not helping the party either, you know. Cause
You know what I think, Bridget?
uh-huh.
I think that the PNP should just sit out this upcoming election and restructure themselves, rebrand, and come again for the 2028 election. Them all people them need to keep them one like do we come McNeil. Them people
Them not no ideas and a fresh candidate. Them not a fresh candidate.
I do. You understand? And you go put a man like Wickham McNeil for run against two over young, vibrant girl where do so much work in our
Because of
constituency.
bank for them experience.
The government, you are going to say they must find restructure and do this and do that. And look here, you think people are idiots? If you don't realize they don't have anybody because nobody wants to do it. Their only bet right now is the lower class people and some ignorant and dunce people in the society.
Thank you very much,
Lisa
Miss
Anna
Chin.
do? Lisa Anna represent Jamaica on too much of a high stage to continue to sit down and represent PMP. The woman just start take with herself little. If Lisa Hannah could have get up tomorrow morning and dash with PMP and don't look back on politics, should I do it?
You know, see Crystal run too.
Crystal run.
Crystal take
What the
with
next one
herself
name again? Patricia Duncan Sutherland, fair sister. What's your name again? The Duncan sister.
Imani.
Take what for yourself too.
Take what for
People are not
yourself too.
stupid if you don't know what is that. All you hear them are cussing and say them want to be government, them want to be the government. Who will they use? The candidate that they have right now, if those candidates were to win and they are to actually be the government, who are they going to use as ministers?
Exactly.
The only person we know as good, where we can say, okay, then them are going to use them, you know. All of those persons can't form a government, you know. Dayton Campbell,
Understand?
Angela Brown Burker Duns. So I don't know what them are going to do with she. You have Michael Phillips, them would have used to. Who else?
What them would I use?
Damian Crawford.
Crawford, them would have used Crawford too. That
Hey,
can't form the government. That alone cannot form the government. Julian Robinson, that alone is not a government. Who them are going to use? Like an idiot,
No,
them
but
put that in different constituency.
Julian Robinson, I go replace. Him can't walk in a Nigel Clark shoes. Look here, let me say something to you. And that's a very important point to raise, Miss Chin. I'm saying people who have voted for PNP, them think this is just a leader against another leader. You have to look at what candidates they have that can replace a Edmund Bartlett, a Christopher Tufton, a Babsy Grange,
Exactly.
right? A Matthew Samuda, right? Which candidate can turn on water in so many areas like a Matthew Samuda?
Because the candidates that they currently have are not
Flight
candidates.
Green. We are going to have outperform a Flight Green. Who them have? We are going to have.
Candidates with them have, you know. The candidates them have, you know, and nobody know nothing about, you know. As some little uneducated idiot, them when nobody know nothing about, you know, then them you going to use for farm government? I just some hurry come up people where maybe them did go town councillor and them say, all right, then give them it, you know. Patricia Duncan Sutherland, the only thing she know about her banking and them, her brother, they make sure push her back and them take over the banking because she not too brilliant. Who are they going to use?
Exactly.
They don't have it.
Who
They
are
don't have it.
going to outperform a Pernell Charles? Who are going to outperform a Christopher Tufton? None of them.
So I don't know what them are going to do. But them are run down for government. With
But
what?
if you notice, they're not, them don't even seem so united as a party, you know, because apart from Mark Golden, I just really Dayton Campbell, you know. I run up and down and I talk loud. Not even Damian Crawford I
But the
talk
people
loud.
them,
I just had a conference and come say, them not look so united, you know, them just a try a thing, you know, and them a try to show a united front because, you know,
Yeah.
the party is
If you
is in a
notice
better
when
place than it was.
a big thing like their conference and Peter Bunting missing in action.
Exactly.
Their conference. What about Peter Bunting?
Me say the people in my Westmoreland of course dating. I tell them say it's like it's a different person. Them did want some Dr. Hall. Other person them did want front down there.
No, you're the woman I tell them on the video.
If you go back and say
Something one more term, right? For JLP.
aside, people supposed to vote on policies
The
and
only
regulations if you are at work.
But the only time,
if you are at work.
not this traditional thing where you diet and feed safe, like, oh, yeah, so the Waterford people, them are going to vote, even though when them not see much activities in them community and much improvement.
The only person I'm there to is my child.
Foresight, worse, them got the back of road. Worse, them got the back of road.
Yeah, man, I know them things, man, but I garrison that.
All who never vote last election, I vote this election, may I tell you. All who never vote last election, I push out this election.
One other thing I want the JLP to recognize as something what Miss Chin just said, the PNP only hope, right, is the grassroots and the uneducated people them who then can deceive. And probably a couple of young people who might feel like say, oh, something a trend and then jump on a wagon there. Feel like say, oh, something a trend and then jump on a wagon there. When I think about them future, I think about the state. When I think about them future, I think about the state.
Part of the reason. This is part of the reason why I'm telling us say me start campaign aggressively long time, because you see in a Barneswell division down here, as much as how JLP have the other 3 divisions, me not stop till Barneswell lose his division. Those people are loyal to Barneswell for 20 odd years for no reason. So the campaign that I have started, wait till when we reach a Jamaica next month, a problem, because straight down the may I go. What I keep asking people is, what has Barneswell done? I want one person down there to identify to me a work that Barneswell do down there. Bear in mind, he was even mayor at one point of Clarendon. He's been the councillor for 20 odd years. And you live in his division and you cannot, as a citizen of that community, any of those communities, identify to me to say he has fixed that road. He has given that person water. Him did that person a farm work yard. Nothing. This man has been of no value to the entire Hayes division. So me not stop ask people over and over again, and it's not just for Clarendon, it's for the entire Jamaica. What has they done for you that you think that you need to continue to vote for them? Because whether a PNP or a JLP, never you stick with a party when I stick with you. True. If you cannot identify something that they have done either for you individually, or they have done for your community, or they have done for your country, then you do not need to keep running behind them.
But some persons, Chin, they are so PMP that they don't see what you and I are seeing.
I agree, Bridget.
PMP.
But guess what? And I'll tell you what is the problem. I don't disagree with you, But how many times do we actually make an effort before we say these things? Because it is true, But you'd be surprised to know that when you sit down and have a conversation with somebody, you'd be surprised of the difference, because a lot of these councillor caretakers and caretakers in general, they just go into the communities and say, okay, then me are just the candidate, come and say yes, dieted. They don't really go in there with a mindset to change it and to win them, They tell themselves already, For example, we can use, let's say in a Mike Henry constituency, big dieted constituency. How much years are Mike Henry? The chances of a PMP going there and telling themselves that they're going to win is slim to none. So them just go and know say them are the candidates, but that's it. They don't really go in there with a mindset. So say me can beat Mike Henry. And because of that, they don't really put in the work.
You see, Chin, you have to find persons who are not die-hearted comrades, because trust me.
But a lot of people are not. A lot of people are not, but guess what? Because they are behind PMP every day, because they are, let's say, in an orange shirt, we have the mindset that they're dieted. But some of them are dieted and some of them are not.
Them constituents.
And the thing is, with garrison communities or garrison type.
1 second foresight. People used to think I'm dieted, because I come from a family of peer PMP.
But you had to do it for yourself, Chin.
And listen, I'm just saying, a JLP would have come in my constituency and see me and say, well, okay then, I'm not even going to bother with she, She worked calling a Patricia Duncan Sutherland office. She had dieted. And I was not.
Yeah, but you see, all the persons are like you. I'm not saying it can't happen, I'm not saying it can't happen.
Not like me, but that is the reason why we need to make the effort.
You understand?
There are still some persons like you, Miss Chin.
Them are dieted.
We can't
and yes, are dieted, then left them. But you'd be surprised to know that you made the effort, and a lot of who you think are dieted really are not.
Well,
you'd be very surprised.
That's why canvassing is so important. I'm an old schooler that loves canvassing. Me. I like to sit and talk to people. But from the moment you're stiff-necked and me not have them kind of patience there. You understand me? Me not have them.
Bridget.
Go ahead for a second.
Let me say something to you. You see, Jamaica work off of trends. In enough of these communities, people just have vote and them don't know why them have vote, how them have vote, right?
Yeah.
And sometimes a one man lead and every man follow. Right? There comes a time when people will look back on themselves and say, but we just have vote because a tradition. We just have vote because I'm led to think that this I party must vote for. But really, what I do for me? You only want, and that is why I tell you, so the PNP, I throw everything at Andrew. Right? To win this election, because they know that when Andrew win the next election, when JLP form the next government, the third term, a lot of the things now, right? Because this is the last lap of the PNP old propaganda strategy, right? If it not work now, it not gonna work in the next election. Because guess what will happen now? People find them out, know them strategy, know everything, right? And we can tell you this: the amount of work where Andrew gonna put in for under the third term, it's gonna be undeniable now to enough people. Some people where I think are diet, I go switch because they must look here. They're going on a prosperity train, because guess what? The next term will be the people's term, right? You see, not for the foundation we are laying now, not for the things that people say them want, right? The foundations that are being laid now, I gonna provide that for them. They're going to start experience the benefits. All the work where you say Andrew put in now, they must say, nah, benefit this and that. They're going to start see the benefits under the third term.
The benefit, yeah.
Would I be surprised for no one?
They're going to see a clearer difference in the Jamaica that they had in the past and the 18 years in the Jamaica. Yeah.
If you ask people, a lot of people, if you ask them, especially young people, and them we need for target, Because guess what now? The old people, them, as we know, when a tree holy hard for Ben.
Yeah,
you see the young people them, when you sit down with a young person and ask the person, why you vote for PMP? You know what they want to tell you, say? They have to vote for PMP become a whole generation of from the PMP. And when you ask them, say, from your little and a grow, everything where your mother tell you to do, you do it? All them can do a laugh. Because disobedient man them can't find. But so when you sit down and explain to them, you need to find your own path. You see, when me tell people my story, people sit down and listen. When me sit down and explain to people that, look here, I didn't just decide to switch to Labour, right? I sat down and decided that I'm looking at all the facts. I need to stop voting based on what families say. I want to know what is PNP doing, and I want to know what is JLP doing. I want to learn the facts. I used to when I go down in the history book, girl, me can tell anybody as somebody who did vote for PNP. PNP are wickedest thing God ever make. If God make them. I can tell you that, and I'm not saying that because me a Labour right now. I'm saying that because I did my research. And I can't do nobody research for them.
No, but when you're doing the research on JLP and PNP, it's not long before that you start realize. Some people might actually say, I would by reading.
No, man, I don't know what you're reading, man. As you start reading, you see it.
Start reading, you see. Even how the Jamaica Labour Party was formed, right? Based on Bustamante break away from Norman Manley because he wanted more for the labourers, right? And he wasn't satisfied with, and that's why I wonder how people get it. Oh, when did it become PNP is the party for the poor? Because when Bustamante formed JLP, it was based on looking out for the poor, and everything enough was being done for the poor.
I think it was in Michael Manley time, when him start to advocate for the poor. You understand? And start giving away land and all of them.
I the whole heap of social program make people say PNP are for poor cause them come in and them say a social program but are really handout, right? And then again them encourage encourage people to capture land. You know, the people never used to capture land.
Yes. So
they encourage them supporters to capture people land.
Yes. And the
one you hand out parish codes to go sit down and collect brown envelope.
Yes. Yeah.